I received a surprise package in the mail today from Daniel Loubier. He's a hatter we had on the Gentleman's Roundtable live stream a few weeks back. I happen to enjoy that episode a lot. I'll put a link here at the end of this video to that live stream if you want to see it. I don't know if you knew my birthday's tomorrow. I turned 59 tomorrow, or if it just happened to work out that way, but again, I got a surprise package here, and I decided to open it up on camera. Unboxing knife today is my Microtech stitch. You know, this is a pretty cool unboxing knife. This is just a handy utility knife in general. You can choke up on the blade like that and just leave that little tip there showing when you're cutting open boxes like this, and you don't have to worry about hurting anything inside the box. Got here. Gotta say, I'm a bit excited. Oh, I've got a written note. I'm gonna have to get my glasses. I hated it almost 59. I sometimes need to wear reading glasses. My far sight vision is great, but the last year or so, these reading glasses is part of getting old. All right. Chad, thanks for having me on the podcast. I had a lot of fun. I hope you like the cap. I figured it wasn't fair that Ant and Dubs had one and you didn't. Luby. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. I appreciate you coming on the podcast. It was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed that episode. I enjoyed seeing the caps you made and talking about the process and that. I'm sure if you lived in my area, we'd probably get along, because I'm into horror movies and all that kind of stuff too, and reading that stuff. So again, too bad you're so far away. Look at this. Well, let me take off this cap here. This is the Sterkowski Mechanics Cap from their Works 66 release. I love this cap. It's just a fun cap and a good warm weather cap. Oh wow! Look what we got here. It's one of the Shelbys. I really like those on the live stream he was on, and he's got it nice and packed too, so we don't got any wrinkles. I love that. Look at this. This is beautiful. Got his tag in there, Looby. You got the satin inside. Beautiful herringbone. Here comes the fun part. First time putting it on. Oh, look at that. Brother, we got a perfect fit too. Wow. Man, I like that, brother. What do you think, huh? That is really nice. Man, the size is perfect too. Man, I'm a believer. This is beautiful. I love the fit. It's every bit as nice as it looked in your video on your head. Thank you. Thank you so much. Again, a great gift. Day before my 59th birthday. Again, tomorrow I achieved level 50 in the game of life. Some levels in the game have been a lot harder than others, but I'm still here at 59, going strong, and looking forward to many levels to come until I meet the big boss at the end. And thank you, Daniel, for letting me bring in my birthday in style. Wow, I love this. I love this. Thank you so much. That's definitely going to be in my favorite caps of 2026 video, 100%. American made by a true craftsman. Wow. God, I love the fit on that. Thank you, Daniel. Thank you so much. Again, I'll put a link to his IG page, and I'll find out what Facebook page he may have and any website info you may have if you want to contact him. Again, I really like this. This is a really cool, unexpected gift. Thank you, buddy. Like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below. You'll get email notifications when my new videos come out. Make sure you hit the notification bell, and when you do that, you hit all. If you don't hit all, YouTube is going to decide still what it shows you from my channel, and not everything, you know, so it's going to make the decision for you, their AI. If you hit all, you get to make the decision which videos of mine you want to watch or not. Again, I appreciate everybody who watches. See ya. Man, I like that. Thank you, Daniel. For an unboxing video. I got a surprise package today from Daniel Loubier. If you watched our Gentleman's Roundtable live stream a few weeks back, he's a hatter that came on. I happen to like his hats quite a bit on the stream, and it was a really good stream. I'll put a link to it up here.
One, two, three, hey, hey, take a seat with Lubier. 4, 5, don't delay, round the table here you stay. Round and round, no walking away. Welcome to the Gentleman's Roundtable.
Did you hear that sound? Sounds like a chainsaw. What the heck is going on? Cheese and crackers. Yikes! Oh man, you won't believe this. Watch this. Chainsaw time. Rah!
Welcome to the shit show, boys. It's time for a bearded Scallywags and Gentlemen's Roundtable collab. Let's get this party started right.
Yikes! Join us every Tuesday at 7:30 p.m. Central and 8:30 p.m. Eastern. Ow!
Thanks for watching. Check out our merch store down below.